Welcome back to Tāngata Pasifika. A dispute with the landlord, in this case Housing New Zealand, has left a Samoan family desperately looking for a new home.
Now, the family received an eviction notice last month for breaching their tenancy agreement and for what Housing New Zealand describe as threatening and intimidating behaviour towards their staff. And this was after several meetings to try and sort things out. Now, John met with the family for their side of the story.
Olivia Halasima and her family are desperate for a home.
There's nowhere else for us to go, but our van would probably just stay in our van. And that's why we're still here, because we don't know where we're going.
Olivia, her parents, her partner and her 5 kids were served an eviction notice on March 21st, following a series of meetings stemming from a house inspection in September last year. The initial disagreement involved some maintenance work the family had to pay for.
We're struggling financially, we really are. And so we had to sacrifice other stuff so that we could save that 180 for a bucket of paint.
During those meetings, tempers became frayed, and Housing New Zealand says staff felt threatened and intimidated. Olivia says they were disrespectful.
And then she walked into the sitting room here and she said to my dad, "Oh, what are you doing sitting there? You need to go outside and clean up all that mess outside." And then she looked on our floor and stuff and she said that she felt disgusted being in here. What a filthy place. Like, we just felt really sad. And then my dad started crying, and I said to my dad, "Don't cry, it's all right, I'll just tell her to get out."
Olivia's parents have been the tenants here for nearly 20 years. She moved in with her family to help out. But following that September inspection, Housing New Zealand found Olivia was in breach of the tenancy agreement and asked her to leave, adding to the family's troubles.
We don't know how we get by, we just do. Every day the struggle is real.
Housing New Zealand did not wish to appear on camera, but were happy to provide a statement outlining their dealings with the family and their concerns for the safety of their staff. On 3 occasions following that inspection, Housing New Zealand met with the family to sort the matter out, but each time they say the family became threatening and abusive. Housing New Zealand says these incidents have caused great distress to our staff and are completely unacceptable. Housing New Zealand will not tolerate this kind of ongoing behaviour and stands firm behind its decision to end this tenancy. Olivia says the family did apologise to Housing New Zealand in a letter with the support of their local MP.
I thought that was the only way that maybe they could come back and reconsider my parents' application for housing.
But it's not all bad news. The Ministry of Social Development are helping to find alternative accommodation for the family.
They're going to look for an emergency housing for me and my family, and it's just all overwhelming now because the amount of support that's coming in from different people. We feel humbled, we feel grateful.
As of today, the family remain at the house until they have somewhere else to go.